look like anymore.
All of you, my name is S. I am 7 years old. I read in second class. Today I will recite the poem before you, and my poem name is Save Nature. Save nature, learn to be brave. Trees are our children. Don't cut their stems. Treat animals with care, or your heart will be where you have brains. Give them brains. You have money. Give them honey. You have a house, home. Let them freely roam. Save nature. Save. Learn to be brave. Plants the tree. Make pollution free. Save the river. Avoid any fever. Thank you and have a nice day.
Well heard. First day at school. How was your first day at school? Only good. Excellent. Okay, so now next contestant is Yash Balyan from second class. Give him a huge round of applause, all of you.
Good morning to all of you. My name is Yash Yan. I am 6 years old. I read in class second, and my poem is in summer. Pour out lotion, rub it in, perfect for my summer skin. On my bike or in pool, a sip of water keeps me cool. Shades are on, flip flops too. Summer there's so much to do.
Clap for him. Karthik, he has chosen the topic Christmas. Are you waiting for Christmas eagerly? Yes. Okay. Next performance is of Daksh Daya from third class. Clap for him, all of you.
Good morning, my name is Daksh Daya. I am student of class 3rd. Today I recite a poem in front of you. Topic is let's preserve our nature. The sun is shining, the sky is blue, the birds are flying, the breeze is so cool. Mother Nature is trying her best to give nothing but beautiful. Thank you and have a nice day.
Next turn is of Priyanshi from class 3rd. Clap for her.
When I am Priyanshi Mehra, student of class 3rd of Holy Cross, Texas School. Today I am going to recite a poem in front of you. My topic is Christmas. C is for Christmas, I wait for all year. H is for holy that brings so much cheer. R is for reindeer that pulls Santa's sleigh. I is for iceless dripping all day. S is for Santa. S is for Santa who seldom is seen. T is for tree that is lovely and green. M is for mistletoe, hugs and a kiss. S is for stockings, all loaded with toys. Thank you.
Clap for Priyanshi is for Deepthi of class 3rd. Clap for Deepthi. Don't be miser in clapping.
My name is Deepthi of class 3rd, Holy Cross, Texas School. Today I am speak a poem in front of you. My poem topic is Everybody Say. Everybody like my father, but I look like me. Thank you and have a nice day.
Poem is of Ishant from class 3rd. Clap for him loudly. 8th class, don't be miser in clapping.
Good morning to all of you. My name is Shandaya. I am studying in 3rd class. My school name is Holy Cross Indo-American Texas School. Today I will recite a poem in front of you and my topic is A Little Seed. A little seed for me to sow. A little soil to make it grow. A little hole, a little peck. A little wish and that is that. A little sun, a little shower. A little while and then a flower. Thank you.
Very good. Clap for him. Clap for him loudly. Start clapping rhythmically. 1, 2. Very good. Now is the turn of 4th class. Now 4th class will show their talent. First performance is of Aditya. Aditya will recite his poem in front of us. Clap for him loudly.
Respected SSP sir and my respected ma'am, very good morning all of you. Today I am Aditya of class 4. I am reciting a poem before you and my poem name is Duck. Duck on the water, quick, 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 sailing down the river, and then sailing back. Mother duck leaves, duckling behind, and in a steamer, in a straight line. Thank you, I don't like.
So now, next performance is of Hardik Daya from grade 4. Clap for him with a huge round of applause.
Respected SSP sir, teachers and all my dear friends, a very good morning to all of you. Today I am Hardik Daya of class 4 is going to recite a poem before you and my poem name is Nature. Very beautiful thing, just like a dream, give us awesome things as sweet as cream. Nature gives us many things, provide butterflies with its wings. It has several kinds of creatures, many have some extraordinary features. I love listening to the sound of the nature. I totally forgot being my nature. Nature is a beautiful gift which we always want to lift. I love nature and its beauty. To save it is really our duty. Thank you and have a nice day.
Very good. It's our duty to save, to conserve our nature. Next performance is of Hardik Gulia. Clap for him loudly.
Respected dear teachers, a very good morning to all of you. Today I am Hardik Gulia of class 4th is recite a poem before you and my poem name is My Family. My family is special, your family is too. We are a big family in our school. Family are not same at all. Some are big and some are small. Some are short and some are tall. They are not same as you can see. What makes them special to you and me? Thank you and have a nice day.
Very good. He has told us about family. Do you love your family? Yes. All of you clapping. Next performance, next poem is of Nishant from class 4. Give him a huge round of applause.
Respected Sukrit SSP sir and all dear my teachers. Today I am here to recite a poem before you, and my poem name is O Brave Soldier. You did your duty, O brave soldier. We will remember you, O brave soldier. Your sacrifice, your selfless deed, you give your life for the country's need. You had a short and meaningful life. You did your best and chose to die. Nobody forced, but it was your thrill. God will grant you place in your internal will. Oh brave soldier, oh brave soldier. Thank you and have a nice day.
Very good. For him loudly as much as you can. Very good. Now, next performance is of Tanmay from class 4. Clap for him.
Respected SSP sir and my all dear teacher. Today I am Tanmay of class 4 is going to recite a poem before you. And my poem name is If I Had a Magic Carpet. If I had a magic carpet that could travel anywhere, it probably quite selfish and wouldn't want to share. I have the greatest time pushing about all on my own, and I did collect the postcard from everywhere. Thank you and have a nice day.
Magical carpet. Do you want magical carpet? Yes. Do you want to fly over it? Yes. Okay. Now next performance is of Pulkit from class 4. Clap for him loudly.
Good morning to one and all present here. Today I am Pulkit of class 4 is going to speak a poem for you. And my poem name is Farmer. A farmer is an important person of country. He lives in village. He grows crops in the field. He works in the field all days from morning to evening. He keeps the earth to economic growth. Farmers are very hardworking and honesty. Thank you and have a nice day.
Of Garvit from class 5th. Clap for him loudly, all of you.
Respected SSP sir and my teachers. Good morning to one and all present here today. I am Garvit Singh of class 5th is going to recite my poem before you, and my topic is Earth says. Of all the planets I am special. I am Mother Earth filled with water, air and life. Humans, trees, birds, wildlife and water animals. I spin and turn all years to give you all seasons and climate. I provide you air, food and home to live.
Tusheen from class 5th. Clap for Tusheen. Again, nicely and clapping.
Respected SSP sir and all my teachers, I am Tusheen of class 5th is going to speak a poem before you, and my topic is leaf. We see orange leaf, we see brown leaf on the ground, we see yellow leaf, we see red leaf on our head, we see green leaf on the tree. Thank you and have a nice day. Good morning to one and all present here today. I, Garva class 5th is going to recite a poem, and my poem topic is on the water. A little boat to the glide on the water, blue and white, while the sky is smooth and bright. What could give us more delight? See the glider how they run, twinkling brightly in the sun. See the lilies round and large, floating nearby, ready march. Thank you and have a nice day.
Clapping. You are not clapping with your full dedication. Now next turn is of Nishant from class 6. Clap for Nishant.
Respected SSP sir and my dear teacher. Good morning everyone. Today I am here to speak a poem before you and my poem name is Nature. Everything is nature. God gave this feature. Birds are fly in the sky. Mountains are so high. Everything is nature. God gave this feature. Birds are fly in the sky. Mountains are so high. Trees are green and water is so clean. We are not kind to it, but we are only harming it. Trees are green and water is so clean. We are not kind to it, but we are only harming it. It bring betray and it bring betray. It tell us the right way. Don't play. Leave them as it is. Not play with it. Thank you and have a nice day.
Clap for Nishan. Aram, nature. As nature is providing us so many things for fulfilling our demands. Okay. Next is the turn of Nishan from class 6. Clap for him loudly. Prashant. Prashant from class 6. Clap for him loudly.
Respected SSP sir and all my dear teachers, today I am Prashant of class 6 is going to recite a poem before you and my poem topic is calendar. How many seconds in a minute? 60 and no more in it. How many minutes in an hour? 60 for sun and shower. How many hours in a day? 24 for work and play. How many days in a week? How many days in a week? 7. Seven. Go to hear and speak. How many weeks in a month? 4. They quickly run. How many months in a year? 12. Which make the calendar clear. Thank you and have a nice day.
As he had made the calendar clear to all of you. Now, next is the turn of Madhavan from class 6. Clap for him loudly.
All of you, I am Madhavan from class 6. Today I am going to speak a poem before you and the topic of my poem is our earth. Our earth is special, there is just one. It gives us water, soil and sun. It gives us water, soil and sun. People and animals share the land. It led a helping hand. All the living beings enjoy the earth so good and throw the recycle waste. Don't throw on the earth. Thank you and
Ninth class, what happened? Clap loudly.
a very cheerful good morning to one and all present here. Today I, Jigar, student of class 5th, is going to recite a poem before you and my poem topic is Mother. Mother, 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 a caretaker and a teacher who taught me things better, a secret and a friend who never betrayed the special one, who cares and love me unconditional. You are a superwoman and you are the one who do all work on time, which makes you the super mother. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good morning to one and all present here today. I, Yusri of class 6, today recite the poem before you and my poem is Back to School. We have all come back to school, and our teachers studying in the school. Oh, we are back to school. We are making some new friends. We don't want the day to end. We play with our new friends. There lots of new fun things to do. Lots to learn. We and you, there new things fun to do. Thank you and have a nice day.
Very good, Ayush. Clap for Ayush, all of you. Now it's the turn of Dipanshu of class 6. He will recite his poem. Clap for him.
Good morning, all present here. I am Dipanshu of class 6 is going to speak a poem before you, and my poem topic is a home and a house. What is a home? A brick, a stone, the wood, that's hard. Some window glasses, and perhaps a yard. There are too many doors and stucco roof. What is a house? A loving and the caring family. Its mother, father, brother, sister. Show your loved ones you always care. Thank you and have a nice day.
Very good. What is a home and what is a house? Clap for him loudly.
Very good afternoon to one and all present here today. I, Hardik of class 7th, is going to recite a poem before you. And my poem is Nature is everywhere. Nature is everywhere. Nature is everywhere you see. Everything that lives and grows is nature. Animal, big or small, is nature. Nature is a plant which grows too tall. Nature is beautiful in every way. Wonderful, exciting, and uses for our need cares. It is who destroy the nature. If you destroy the nature, you destroy the chance of life. So, so listen and learn. Have you done your part towards the nature beauty forever? So please save the nature, save the life. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good afternoon to one and all present here. I am Anshi of class 7. Today I recite the poem, and my poem name is Flying. I saw the moon one windy night, flying so fast over the sky like a toy balloon loose from its string. Run away fast. The forest stars went racing past, chasing on her ever so fast. Then everyone said, if the clouds can fly, that fly, and the moons and stars stand still in the sky. But I don't mind. I saw the moon sailing away like a toy balloon. Thank you.
Now, next turn is of Himanshu from class 7. Clap for him loudly. Don't be miser in clapping, all of you. Clap loudly as much as you can.
Good afternoon to one and all present here. Today I, Manju of class 7th, is going to speak a poem before you, and my poem is Trees. Trees give us wood to make the timber. Trees help us to make the tables and all etc. things. Trees are the environmental friends. We should put more and more trees. Trees help us to sit in the shade of them in the summers. Trees give us fruits and more other things. Trees help us to be healthy in all our things. Thank you and have a nice day.
For you regarding the importance of trees. Next is the turn of Janvi from class 7. Give her a huge round of applause.
Good afternoon to one and all present here. Today I, Janvi, student of class 7, is going to recite a poem, I Wandered Lonely as a Cloud by William Wordsworth. The major theme of this poem is nature and human involvement in natural beauty. The impact of nature on a human. I wandered lonely as a cloud that floats on high o'er and hills, when all at once I saw a crowd, a host of golden daffodils, continuous as a
stars that shine and twinkle on the Milky Way. They stretch in never-ending line along the margin of the bay. Beside the lakes, beneath the trees, fluttering and dancing in the breeze. Fluttering and dancing in the breeze. 10,000 saw I at a glance, tossing their heads in sprightly dance. The waves beside them danced, but outdid sparkling in glee. I gazed and gazed, but little thought what a wealth the show to me had brought. And then my heart with pleasure feels and dances with the daffodils. Thank you.
Of Ashmit from class 7. Give him a huge round of applause.
From 7th class, today I recite a poem before you, and my topic is the lovely nature. I love the sound of bird so early in the morn. I like a sound of puppies so soon after they are born. I like a way the sky look on a bright and sunny day. And even when it's raining, I love the shades of the grey. Thank you, Anu.
Is of Dakshita from class 8. Clap for Dakshita.
A very cheerful good afternoon to all of you. My name is Dakshita. I am from 8th class. I am going to recite a poem before you. My poem name is Save Girl Child. Let me live, let me bloom, let me shine like beautiful moon. Let me fly like beautiful bird. Please don't be so cruel or selfish. Don't let me fly, let me swim like colorful fish. Listen my cry, listen my scream. Let me fulfill my wishes and dream. Let me see this beautiful earth. Please don't kill me before my birth. Thank you. Have a nice day.
From grade 8. Clap for him loudly.
Good afternoon to one and all present here today. I am Harshit of class 8 is going to speak a poem before you. And my poem name is Everybody Has a Name. Everybody has a name. Some are different, some are same, some are short, some are long. All are right, none are wrong. My name is Harshit. It is special to me. It also exists. It also do be. Thank you.
Yes. I would like to call Pura of class 8 to recite his poem in front of us. Clap for him loudly.
Good afternoon to one and all present here. Today I, Purav of class 8th, is standing before you to recite a poem. And the name of my poem is Everyone Has a Name. Everybody has a name. Some are different, some are same. Some are short, some are long. All are right, none are wrong. My name is Purav. It's special to me. It's exactly who I want to be. Thank you and have a nice day.
We will start with 9th class. Firstly, I would like to invite Vaibhav. Give him a huge round of applause. Where is your energy?
Good afternoon to one and all present here. I am Vaibhav of class 9 standing in front of you to recite a poem, Our Earth. The earth is ours to enjoy for every little girl and boy, but we must always be aware that all its beauty we must share with all the children yet to come who wants to laugh and play and run around the trees and in the fields. So we must keep our planet free from messy trash and debris with air that's clean, fresh and clear for all to breathe from ear to ear. So we must never ever abuse our sweet earth that's ours to use. Thank you and have a nice day.
He needs encouragement. Clap for him loudly. Now, this is the turn of Nidhi.
Respected SSP sir, honorable teachers and my fellow friends, a cheerful good afternoon to all of you. I feel extremely delighted for being able to recite a poem in front of you all. I am really thankful to the program organizer. The topic of my poem is doctors. The message of my poem is doctors are very important persons. They save our life. White coat is like moon in darkness. Your name is like hope in illness. You do your best to cure us. We can see how you care for us. Your life is filled with all sacrifices. Yet you deal with us so nice. You do your work with all your heart. The science of body is made an art. I also want a healing hand like you. I also need a beautiful mind like you. I want to serve the nation. I also want to cure the patients. Medicines can cure diseases, but only doctor can cure patients. Thank you and have a nice day.
Vanshika, now clap for your mothers. Excellent performance was given by everyone. So clap for yourself now. For yourself also you don't have energy. Okay, you tell me what was the main motive of this event? Anybody can tell me what was the main motive of that event? Janvi? Tell me, bache, what was the main motive of that event? Anybody else? Yes?
Clear the stage fear.
Correct. This competition, these kind of events help you to reduce your stage fear. See, when I was child, I was like you. I was not getting chances like this. And you are getting chances in that school. And every one of you is very, very talented. So we are finding your talent, we are giving you that stage where you can come and share your views with everyone. Today you had made mistake. Next day you will get again a chance. You will improve yourself and one day you will be the only one who will get first prize. No one is perfect. Everyone has some imperfection with them. I am not perfect. Sir is not perfect. Ma'am is not perfect. No one is perfect. But only thing is, we have to believe on ourselves. Okay? You can do it. That mindset, every time you should have that mindset that I can do it. Now, Usman, where is Usman? How do you feel when you were coming here? From there only you tell. What was the feeling when you were coming here? When you were introducing yourself in front of everyone, what was the feeling? Or his or her feelings when you are coming on that stage? The first thing that came in your mind, you share that thing with me. Okay, Dipanshu, you tell.
I'm fearing.
Fearing. Okay. Anybody else? Now your fear is not removed. How many times you have given that performance? 2-3 times. Still the same feeling or now the level of the feeling is decreasing? Decreasing. What about you, Himanshu? You are getting the chance to come here, so we all should respect it and we should not leave this chance. Because at my time I was not getting. When I see you, I feel so lucky that we are here to give you chance that you can perform here. Because we were not getting at that time. Okay, so whenever you get chance, you should participate. Maybe it is wrong, maybe it is right, maybe you forget when you are standing here, that's okay. It's okay to be not okay. It's okay. But the main thing is you should come here and you should participate. Next time, whenever there is any competition now, you raise your hands by yourself that ma'am, I want to participate. Because I feel very proud in 6th class when everyone has raised the hand and said, ma'am, I also want to participate. Don't cut my name. They were saying we will prepare by ourselves. Okay? So, One last time, clap for yourself. Now with energy.